Welcome back. Activists of the Orlim Gaun Rakhon Manch are up in arms against the upcoming residential complex in the area. They claim that the builder does not have permissions from TCP and Water Resource Department. However, the owner defended himself, saying that from the past many years, none of the constructions in Orlim have the permissions. Chief Town Planner inspected the site on Tuesday.
The Chief Town Planner St. Putturaju along with the other TCP and Panchayat officials inspected the ongoing construction site at Orlim. Team was accompanied by the members of Orlim Gaun Rakhon Manch. Activists of the Manch had complained that the builder has not sought permission from TCP and Water Resource Department.
Chief Town Planner and at that time the Senior Town Planner had said to take WRDA permission. Without the permissions being taken, without the necessary sanctions, the previous Panchayat gave them the permission, the construction license, and they started the work.
However, builder has defended himself.
They have not taken permission from the WRD department.
Every permission is given. Even if you go to WRD and ask them whether I need a permission, they are laughing at me. They are saying for last 5 years, nobody has come to them for the permission for the WRD. Why it is only for you? There is absolutely no problem. I feel I am punished for being sincere and law-abiding citizen.
Chief Town Planner St. Putturaju briefed us on the issue.
Parties have to find a way within the existing physical forms and let us see what they come with. Am I right? It's only after they come out, whether it matches their expectation has to be seen. We don't know. I mean, that all they have to work out.
A reporter from Madgaon's Savio Dice.
Tourists visiting Baga Beach are facing parking problems. The agency appointed by the government is charging the tourists 15 rupees parking fee. The agency is not authorized to collect money from the tourists who park their vehicles outside the GTDC area. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has assured to look into the matter.
Thousands of tourists visit Baga Beach even during the off-season. They enjoy the Goan beaches and its serenity. But tourists are upset with the contractors charging money as parking fees. They claim agents charge the parking fees for the vehicles parked outside the GTDC area and close to the bus stand.
पार्किंग के लिए 15 रुपए चार्ज किया उन्होंने, जो कि यहाँ फ्री होना चाहिए था बीच पे।
नहीं ब्रिज के लिए नहीं, वो पार्किंग उधर है, वो साइड में गवर्नमेंट का पार्किंग है ना GTDC का, वो साइड में है और ये बस स्टैंड है। इधर बस स्टैंड के उधर पार्क करने के लिए आपसे कितना पैसा लिया उसने?
हाँ, ये गलत लिया इसने पैसा नहीं लेना चाहिए था यहाँ पर। हम तो बाहर से, हम तो टूरिस्ट हैं, अब वो जो हमें देगा वो 15 रुपये का पर्ची दिया।
This loot of money upsets the tourists. The area is exactly at the end of the stretch of Baga Beach. The agents put barricades on the road, stop the vehicles and charge the visitors parking fees.
I will instruct him. ताका तो GTDC सांगे ना हांव सांगता कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक ह्या सायडीन तूं कसोच घेयना काम. हे सायडीन एक बसीज येवन रावता आनी कोण लोकल लोक जे कोण आपले हे घेवन वयता पळय ते नुस्त्याचे कितें, he cannot charge this side. This what is given it to him is only this side. This side is only for tourists. There is no parking also this side. I will tell PI also to implement that.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.